Really, really pleased that Welsh Government have actually taken that study and are incorporating it into their policies around how to address inequalities around language barriers and access to healthcare, and to reduce those barriers. So yeah, really. So even if it's a small benefit, I'm happy.
Aww.
Big benefit, even better. Proud for that as well, and just really pleased about the people I work with in the research team as well. So my line managers, so Helen Snokes, Alison Porter, they've all been very, supportive of the work that we've been doing. So in Public Health Wales as well, Jill Richardson, I think without her sort of interest in this area, I think we wouldn't have got this far, because she really is pushing the policy work forward with her team as well in Public Health Wales. So so we're really very fortunate to be working with such great people. And you worked a lot with Josie this time around, didn't you? Yeah, Josie Nicholas. So yeah, we've been really fortunate to be working with great people.
So cute.